Okay, taking that was the second Aeroplane I've now seen. Obviously this time it's just the same make though, but it's just in a different range number it was. So as you can see, that's the second plane I've now seen. This is that was Piper PA-28-181 that was. So yep, as you can see the rate is G-BPFI, that is. If I go to the K button, this was where we first saw it flying at. It's flown at 34,000 feet it was. And if I go, see it. So as you can see, this was taken off at so you can see this was taken off at Dunkerswell Amphitheatre by the looks of it, but I can't remember the name of it. But
come on, the tea's in there ready. Go on, in.
Sorry about that, guys. Just hear my mum in the background.
Dunkerswell.
Sorry if I can't say the word properly. So as you can see, that was taken off at Dunkerswell Airfield. As it was, this was taken off just before 5:45. That was taken off at Dunkerswell Airfield. As you can see, this is where it took off from, and he's just took off after we just saw it. Looks like he's probably doing his lesson or something tonight, but I don't know where he's at now. Now he's still saying he's at 35 feet, and I've go to flight radar 24. It should be on there somewhere. Yeah, there it is. Okay, so it's got the same range, G-BPFI. So as you can see, it's still got the same range, which is G-BPFI. Sorry, I mean the wrong range. So you can see the rate is G-BPFI. That was. As you can see, it's going from not available to not available, but that's not the one we don't. This is the range number plate we don't usually see in Cornwall that well, but never really seen that type of range before. As you can see, that was this plane I've just searched. Probably PA-28-181 that was. Similar compared to what I saw in the first one, which that was the ones we saw from Pembroke Airfield, which this is a different Piper apparently, but not the one we don't really see. The one that's based at Pembroke, but this is not the one compared to the one I saw in the first Piper PA-28, but obviously this is now a different one. This is Piper PA-28-181 Cherokee one, I think it is by the looks of it. So yep, thanks for watching, bye bye.